Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can unlock your FPS in Roblox. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Normally it's kept to 60, but today I'll show you how you can remove this cap. So let's begin. First things first, you're going to go and open up any of your browser and then head over to this GitHub page. And once you're here, simply copy the code by clicking this button right here. And now we have to create a JSON file. First go and create a text document and name this doc same as the name written for the title on the website. So it's right here, you can see client app settings.json. Once you do that, next up you're going to paste the code we just copied inside this file. Now if you look at the first line, you can see where this target is. So you can increase this a bit more if you have a decent performance PC, or you can leave it as it is. Once you're done, just go ahead and save the file. Next up, you're going to go to your search bar and search for Roblox. Open up the file location by clicking this button right here. So this is not the game directory. So going to do that again. Once you're in the right folder where your game is installed, here we have to create a folder named client settings. And then we're going to just paste the file inside it. And you're done. Now in case if your game is running in the background, make sure to close and relaunch it. So that's basically how you can unlock your FPS in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.